Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the target device discoverable and opening Bluetooth settings on your phone or laptop. Once done, scan for nearby devices and select the device name shown. If a PIN prompt appears, try common defaults such as 0000, 1234, or 1111 while keeping the manual nearby. Some devices print the code on a sticker. Make sure to stay within a few meters and disable any previous pairings that might block a fresh connection attempt. Next, you inspect the device itself and its software interfaces to find the PIN. Many devices display or allow resetting the code inside their settings menu or companion app, so open those menus and follow prompts to view or regenerate a pairing code. If the device has a small display or sticker, read that carefully. If you're working with a head unit or speaker, try holding power or Bluetooth buttons to trigger a code display mode. This often forces the unit to show or broadcast the code. To finish, if the correct PIN remains unknown, perform a factory reset to restore the default code, and then repeat pairing immediately. You should also try connecting from a different phone or computer to determine if the problem is the client device. Once you enter the code and pairing succeeds, confirm the connection by testing audio or data transfer. If it fails, toggle Bluetooth off and on, reboot both devices, and try again. This simple step fixes most transient handshake issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.